Alright, y'all, what up, what up? I think I got another unicorn. It popped up as a nice order regardless. But alright, here's the situation. So, I just got done with an order. I just did like a 10-mile delivery real quick. And right after I got done with that order, they sent me a $20 order. And it said 13 miles. And it said 10 items. All right, so I was 10 miles away when they sent it to me. So that knocks 10 miles off right there. Then, so it's gonna be like a 3-mile delivery once I get back. I had to drive back that way anyway. So that's a good situation. All right, then 10 items. I looked at how much they were spending after I accepted it. They spent like $250. So $250. So I think this is a unicorn. I think this is a $50 order, y'all. $50 order. Or at least I hope so. You feel me? $50 order, man. All right, I'm on my way to pick it up. I'm like 8 minutes away. Let y'all know what the results is, man. Let's get it. All right, so that shit is 5 big platters of food, like 2 salads, and some other stuff, man. They spent $250 on this order. It filled up my whole catering bag. My whole pizza bag is filled up, and my little Doordash bag got some stuff in it. A big order, man. 3-bag order right here. About to drop it off. $50 order. We gonna see, man. I just hope it's $50 order. But let's see the ratio, man. I don't know. I'm gonna guess from 50 to 55. That's gonna be my guess. No. From 45 to 50. That's gonna be my guess. 45 to 50. Let's get it. I hope it's 100. Let's get this shit. Let's do it. Hey, hunting unicorns, baby. I'm hyped. All right, now look at that. That's a beautiful $30 tip, man. That's what's up. I expected it to be more, but $35, that's a pretty good tip. It was a nice little 13-mile drive, but it was close as hell from the restaurant. I was already like 10 miles away, so it's nothing. I was already headed back that way. I knew it was gonna have a hidden tip because of the amount that was shown at acceptance screen versus the mileage that was shown with the items, with the restaurant that it's from. You know what I mean? Because if it's 10 items from Taco Bell, then it's probably not going to be a unicorn. It's probably going to be, you know what I'm saying, 8 sauces and 2 tacos or something like that. Or a little pizza spot like, what? I mean, I don't know. I had a unicorn from Little Caesars before. It was like 15 pizzas. And it showed up at 7 at the acceptance screen. So you can't really count the pizza spots out. But it could be, you know, just a couple of little ranches. But all right, y'all, go ahead, like and subscribe for more of these kind of videos, man. Hit the bell for when I drop more. I'm hunting unicorns every time I dash. And thank y'all for watching, man. Hit y'all up on the next one. We out.